Ki khubor ka Batesi TV. Ka umdi basnyambak penjaslian. Rupa Premium Meghalaya.
Dagaji minat bagajing treshi tom jogi Khynah Skul. St. Mary's Higher Secondary School, Shillong. Hagan ke kinti kala yorong hagi Southly Kyrdan haga top 20 jangga result. Belapin mena daga Meghalaya Board of School Education haga santri uyayong aracar arpusan. Ka principal jangga school ka sister Sonia Chako haga jiya keran bagakan honlum kubor ke Batesi TV. Kala yathu bahau news nam aracar pausan ka school kelapa arspa arngut tam ke Khynah Skul banyak khunnya ke examen secondary school living certificate bad ki pass ki long shispa knep khundai ngod baga percentage ka long knep pra point san pawai. Kisangun ki Khynah puli jong ga school ki blayo rong ka top 20 kilong ka Anushmita Chowdhury ki blapoi ha ka dan ka balai but your distinction ha ka subject English, mathematics, science and technology, social science, health education but ha ka subject alternative English. Ka Jessica Joshi ki blapoi ha ka dan ka bakhandai but your distinction ha ka subject English, mathematics, science and technology, social science, computer science but ha ka subject alternative English. Ka Surosri Day ki blayo ha ka dan ka bakhandriu but your distinction ha ka subject English, mathematics, science and technology, social science, computer science but ha ka subject alternative English. Ka Akansha Ghosh ki blapoi ha ka dan ka bakhat pra but your distinction ha ka subject English, mathematics, science and technology, social science, computer science but alternative English.
The results achieved by our students, the success is a reflection of their hard work, the dedication of our teachers and the constant support from the parents. At our school, we strive to nurture both academic excellence and holistic development, and these results encourage us to continue our commitment to quality education. And we thank everyone who has been a part of this journey. The total number of students appeared 2025, 202, 197 of them passed. The pass percentage is 98.51 and we got 4 positions, 3rd, 9th, 16th and 18th. And we also got highest marks in science 2, mathematics 1, beauty and wellness 1, computer 1 and health education 1. What matters is the hard work and also being attuned to the instruction given by both the management, the staff and the parents.